Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome to our live. And yeah, don't worry. This is a real account. The best dictionary official store. So don't worry. Okay. Let me check first the viewers. My viewers. Wow, a lot of people watching my live. So thank you very much, guys. I believe you are that English lovers. So today we are featuring our best books with special praises. We have a lot of special promos today. The regular price is this much, but today we are giving a special discount for you. If you buy two, I will give you a bonus. You can get a bonus of this official store. So stay tuned, be focused, okay? And then don't forget, share this link to your WhatsApp group or TikTok, Instagram, and the others social media. Okay, and then don't forget, if you have joined this live, you can say hi like that. So I can see you if you have joined this live. Let me explain my dictionary. Okay, wait. This. Look at this. This is English map concept. From the cover, I think that's very brightful because there are component of color. The first is yellow, green, red, and blue. So this is very brightful. And in the set of this dictionary, there are many content, and this content very help you to improve your English skill from the speaking, grammar, vocabulary, and the others. So what are you waiting? Come on, get the big benefits for the cheaper price. Okay. The first content of this dictionary, that's speaking. If you will be speaker, the best master of ceremony, and the others, or maybe content creator, but the content for your account, that's you explain with English speaking. So this dictionary can help you. This is your new friends to learning English. And then grammar. So any one of you that's confused to know about grammar, what is that? Present, past, future, continuous. So this is, guys, worth it for you, for us to, if we will study about grammar. And then vocabulary. So vocabulary, that's very important for the beginner on or intermediate or the master maybe. So vocabulary, that's very important. There are much vocabulary in this dictionary of the from the in the kitchen, in the class, in the home, or the others about vocab. So don't worry. Come on, buy this dictionary. Okay, and okay, there is any one of you ask something in order. How about the price of your dictionary? Okay, the price of this dictionary, because I will give you discount in this life, so I will give you just 10,000. But if you will buy in Orange Store or the others, my account, that's the regular price, that's 20,000. Okay, what are you? I think, guys, come on, buy this dictionary. Okay, remember, discount only while we are left. Other this price go back to go back to normal. Okay, go back to normal. 20,000 if the normal. Okay, come on, guys. Wow, thank you very much for the have checked out this dictionary. Okay, thank you. Because the time is over, so thank you for everyone who solved today. See you in the next time, guys. Maybe tomorrow I will live again. And last, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget follow my account, the best dictionary. Okay, bye bye.